Morning, morning, good morning, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome. I had started opening it. Boom. And I said, remember, you can't have this without sharing with your lovers. You know they like to see what's in the box. So get cracking. Put up your camera and show them what you've got. So, to all my regular subscribers, all those who always come here to watch product demos, to learn one or two things, and all those that send DM to say, you're doing a good job. I've learned so much, just listening to you showcase Atomy products and everything. Those words melt my heart, okay? You're the reason why I keep showing up, I keep coming here, I keep doing what I'm doing, okay? So keep those comments coming and keep loving me, okay? So that I can keep bringing new products and new product demos and product reviews, okay? Which is basically what we are all about on this channel. So let's get cracking. Okay, yeah. I had ripped that side, so I'm gonna rip this one now. Gosh. Then I remembered, are you gonna do this really without your people? Are you gonna do this? And for those of you who will stumble across this video, you don't really know us, okay? We are Nikki Beauty and Health Products with Atomy, okay? We are global distributors of Atomy products worldwide, and we are over 300 global distributors. I mean, when you're talking about a global team, we're even more than, that's why I said over 300, basically. So, and what we do is we showcase good plant products that have plant derivatives in them. I'm talking about non-toxic products, herbal products, okay? Products that are as good as the food you eat. I get a lot of testimonials from people who have used, tried, and tested these products, and it's all the time, and this is what gives me the satisfaction to keep doing this, okay? Adding people value to people's lives, coming up with healthier options, okay? Like Valentine, we're in Valentine's season, okay? Have you got your loved one a good, good non-toxic herbal product for Valentine? Don't go pile up the calories on them now. Think of something, a healthier option. These days, a lot of people are going organic. They're thinking about plant products. They're thinking about products that are good for their health, because we've seen over the years, with my experience and other people's experiences here and there, we've seen how eating the wrong kind of foods can actually be very detrimental to your health, okay? We've seen it over and over again, okay? So I teach people how to go for healthier options, okay? Maybe healthier fruits, healthier vegetables, healthier supplements, or whatever I know is good for you and will add value to your health, okay? So that's what I'm all about on this channel, okay? If I get the product or a new product comes out and I see that, oh my gosh, there's so many people that will benefit from this, like the last one that just came out, the Atomy blood cut sugar bitter melon. I kept saying lemon. Bitter melon, okay? I've done a video here, and if you hear me say lemon, please mercy. I kept saying lemon for some reason, because there's a drink called bitter lemon, okay? So I think I was just like, anyway, so it's bitter melon. It's strictly for diabetic people, okay? I've done the video here, it's that this is one of the products I'm talking about that I come and showcase here. Eat, and then after one hour after eating, take it just cuts down the blood sugar. I'm telling you, I've had people who are using it and they're already giving me feedback that it's an amazing product. So what are you doing? Okay, if you see something good and you look at it, you look at the components, you see that these actually it's good. It's not chemicals. Okay, all right. You go take like I always say, they are not medication, they are not drugs. Okay, so what would you rather have? Okay, a good supplement that does the job. Okay, and also makes you healthy. All right. So let me go ahead with my cutting. So I'm on a mission actually to continue to share good products with plant derivatives, products that are non-toxic, products that are herbal, products that do what they say they do. Okay, I'm on a mission here, and I ain't stopping until I see you, healthy, looking, and looking pretty. All right, go take Atomy pomegranate if you want to look pretty. Go take your Atomy inner collagen. Look at me. Go take it. I wake up with such a glow every morning. I'm like, is there something I did, or I didn't do nothing. I only took good supplements. Okay, I take my collagen. I take my pomegranate. I take my, what's the other one? I take my, there's another one I take. No, that's for eyes. No, I won't go for it. I take eyes, for the eye supplement anyway. But that's not what I'm looking for. There's another one I normally take, every now and then, And then that's it. I remember now. My probiotics, okay? For my healthy guts. Okay, so I take my probiotics, I'm giving my gut good bacteria, Can you go wrong with that? I'm giving my gut good bacteria, and I'm looking after my inner. I take this Atomic stomach daily care as well, So I'm taking all these good supplements. Okay, can I go wrong? No. Okay, you sit down there looking healthy, looking pretty, and then you can thank me later. Okay, so those of you who were asking me, anyway, I'll reply you on the DM. Let me not make this too long. Okay, so let's go to business. I'll reply you on the DM. So watch out for my DM. The way they've done this is so hard to read. Gosh, the way they've done this one. And I usually don't get this kind of box. This is the bigger. Okay, there we go. We're getting there. And those of you who like my new hairdo, thank you so much. I've got lots of comments on this hairdo. I'm like, I love your new hairdo. I love it. Oh my gosh, it makes you look so smart. Thank you so much. I love it too, And I haven't had short hair for a long time. Trust me, I haven't. So everybody see me now with short, it's like, oh, and then when I get into a room, they're like, is it the same person? Enjoy it while it lasts, because very soon this will go off, and then I'll come up with something else. I get bored easily, Hi, I'm on video. Well, thank you. You okay? Yeah? Rhoda, you okay? Yeah, okay. All right. So, yeah. Let's go. Guess what is in here? That reminds me, I'm going to start doing the guessing games shortly, and I'll be giving so many supplements out here free of charge. I'm going to be doing guessing game. If you can guess what's in the box, then you get it, right? So watch out for this space coming very soon. You guess what is in the box, then it's yours, okay? It's going to be a live event, so there's no cheating, okay? So I'm going to have a moderator who is going to be looking at the comments and everything for me, and then we'll be able to get who puts it in first, okay? Guess what's in the box? Atomy Café Arabica. I posted a short video on this, and that video, I don't know if to say it's going viral. The kind of views I'm getting on it, I'm really impressed, Shows that people really like it, It's a Café Arabica, 0 sugar. So if you're a coffee lover, but you want to do coffee with minimal. I hear there's no caffeine in it, or just very minimal, caffeine here, or nothing at all, So I'm gonna confirm that and get back to you. But I know it's zero sugar. So you like your coffee without sugar, Again, you see why we preach healthy options? So you can enjoy coffee, okay? Enjoy it. This has got, the sachet comes with sugar. I showed it in my short video that I've done, It comes with sugar, milk, everything. Sorry, it comes with milk. So when you pour it in the mug, you already have everything. Everything is done. Everything is being there for you. So this is a good one to have, actually. Atomy Café Arabica. Okay, you want it? Please, you know what to do. Grab me, grab. See, look at it there. Okay. Yeah, I should do a proper demo on this, actually. Yeah. So I've got 2 packs of it. Yeah. All right. Best coffee you will ever have. This one. I'm going to do a proper video on this. Okay. Because I'm getting loads of orders coming in for that now. Woohoo! I have got tyrosine. Almost ripping out the bottom. I'm going to be holding somebody responsible for this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No, it was just a bump. It's fine now. It was just a bump. So that's our Atomy tyrosine for overall joint health. Okay. This saved my joint. If you have arthritis, bone issue, leg issue, ankle issue, anything bone, arthritis, and you're not taking this supplement, oh my gosh, you're missing out. This thing literally saved me, okay? It saved me. Arthritis runs in the devil's family, not my family, When it hit me, like, because I know what it done to my mom. It was horrible. Her leg became swollen and she couldn't move. She was literally from living room to bedroom. No quality of life because of arthritis. So when I heard that clunking and my leg going, funny, let me just check. Okay, my leg going funny and all that. I said, you know what? I'm gonna start taking this, and I'm gonna take it until I get results, because if I'm gonna be talking about this product, I want to make sure I've tried, tested, proven that it works. Hey, it works. Not just works, it repairs. This actually not just take away the pain, it actually repairs those worn out ligaments and tissues, and actually repairs. Guess what? I haven't taken it for almost a year. You know why? Because every time I get it, somebody orders. Every time I get it, it gets sold out. So I've not really had time to keep one for myself to keep using, okay? So I've not used it for almost a year now. Guess what? No clunking, no pain, nothing. Everything that I was feeling before, all gone. And this is me not even taking it now for a year. But guess what? I took it consistently for 6 months, okay? After 3 months, pain gone, but I was still like, yeah, I can feel a relief, but I'm not there yet. Some people will give up. You take it 3 months, you give up. But I wasn't willing to give up, because to me, if I have to talk about this supplement, I need to be able to prove that it works. It worked for me. So I just carried on. Guess what? After 6 months, it was all gone. All pain gone. All discomfort gone. Waking up in the morning and it's so, my legs are so heavy, I can't even move it from the bed. I'm screaming like, to get my legs down from the bed. After 6 months, all gone, everything gone. And then because the orders, and I get for this is so high now, the demand is so high, I don't even get to be able to keep one for myself. So for, not deliberately, but for 8 months going now, I haven't taken it. Yet, look, my knees, everything, I'm jumping, dancing. Let me do some examples for you. I'm dancing, jumping, I'm dancing, jumping, I'm dancing, shaky, 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 I'm dancing, shaky. I'm actually pushing my legs up. So, I'm doing everything I couldn't do before. I'm climbing up the stairs, climbing up and down the stairs. I'm shaking, dancing, doing everything I couldn't do before. Okay, that's to show you it works. It works. It works. You know what to do. You know what to do. Hey, this is, my triactive active calcium. This actually is 3 in 1. You get your calcium, you get your magnesium, and you get your vitamin D. Okay, you all know the importance of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, don't you? I think I'll start educating you now. So I'm going to be doing some videos where I'm going to actually be talking about the importance of all these vitamins and minerals to our bodies. Okay? And this one is the iron. Iron. I remember I spoke to a lady, was it last year? She had severe anemia and she was like, oh my God, this anemia will not kill me. My problem is anemia. But my iron levels are always very low, blah, blah, blah. Then I encourage her to take some iron-rich foods that can help her, you know. And then I also suggested she takes the supplement, okay, you know, and she said, okay, she was going to look at it and blah, blah, blah. I sent her all the product details and everything, and she's on it now, and she's like, thank you. This is a no-brainer, okay? Coupled with the fact that it's a non-toxic option, okay? So you can take this, okay? And then, you know, no side effects, nothing, okay? So this is good. Whew. And iron, I have done iron on this channel, okay? I've done a video on that, okay? So scroll down and watch that video. Collagen. I'm not going to talk about this because this has been it's become a national anthem on this channel. If you don't know collagen, you will know collagen by just being on this channel, okay? Collagen, I call it the cement that holds the skin together, holds all the connective tissues and muscles together, so we don't sag and we don't break and we don't rip, if you know what I mean. Okay, so get your collagen. Atomy Inner Collagen, made from 100% fish collagen peptides. That's why I like it, and it's the liquid form, so it gets easily absorbed into the body. So I like it into the skin. I love it. You know, it's a no-brainer, this one. Okay? Then my recent one, I'm gonna show you this. It's magic. I can't do it now because I'll make this video too long. I can't do this now, okay? But it's been tried, tested, and proven. Those of you don't know, you know, we do beauty products, healthcare supplements, and we also do household products like this one, the Atomy laundry stain remover. I had this in my under sink cabinet for a year. So, you know, you just buy and just put it there, you know. So one day I was trying, it was just very recently, I was like, okay, I've got this stain has to go on this fabric. So I brought this out. I remember that I had it under my sink. I brought it out and put it, and then I put it, and then I just used my hand like this to walk it up on the fabric. Guess what? As I was walking it up on the fabric, I just saw the stain going. I literally, stain gone. And then I had to put it, obviously, in the wash to wash it. You know, so I was like, you know, I have this kind of fabric stain remover in my house, and you kidding me? You know? So I shared it with some of my friends, and I'm gonna do a proper video on it, you know, and then I would show you. I mean, I'm gonna come with ink, I'm gonna come with oil, I'm gonna come with another thing. I know some of the stains, you know, the stubborn stains we know of, you know, that normal washing cannot take them off. Okay, I'm gonna bring this and I'm gonna do it. Okay, so watch out for my next video, okay, because I need to really showcase this amazing product. It's wonderful. Atomy laundry stain remover. Okay, all right, until I see you in my next unboxing, until I see you in my next video, you take care. Okay, love yourself, do good to yourself, and do good to those around you. Okay, put a smile on somebody's face this Valentine, okay, season. All right, happy Valentine, everyone, and just show some love. All right, there are people out there who need so much love, so show some love this Valentine's season. It's me, your lady, Lois Nichols. I'm signing out now. I love you. Ciao. God bless.